Hi, it's Simon here from Married to Reselling. Just doing a quick video. I'm just sorting out some used toys, board games and what have you to go off to Amazon. So I thought I'd just share it with you so you can see what happens when we say we've bought this, we're going to sell this for this on Amazon. It's unchecked, we'll check them later and send them in. So this is what happens next. I'm just going through some stock to get out to Amazon. It's not going well. First item was the 5-second rule mini game. It's meant to have a game board, 200 cards, so I've got cards, 6 playing pieces, no playing pieces, 5-second twisty timer, that's this, that's there, game board, no game board, and rules, which are there. So that was the first one I checked. That cost £2 and is basically only good for my spares pile. The next thing, we got these Lego phonics books, and it says includes 10 books and 2 workbooks. I was just about to list this, get about 20 quid for this, except there's only 6 books out of 12. So that is going to go in some sort of book, Lego book bundle, but not ideal. And the next thing, Pass the Bomb Junior. It's always a great seller. I put the price in the bin actually because I just peeled it off. I think it was £2, but I'll be sticking it back on in a minute because so we've got some cards, we've got the instructions, we've got the bomb itself. I don't know if you can see that, the screw to the battery compartment is completely lost its thread, so I can't get in there. I've tried sort of gently prising it open because I could just replace the screw, but I'm going to end up snapping that battery compartment. So there we go. When we say it's unchecked, that can happen. It's been a long time since 3 out of 3 things. Now, the next thing I'm checking, as I was really chuffed to get this yesterday, I kind of manifested it. I said, oh, I haven't seen one for ages, and then, oh, it was just sitting in the window. A 199 Sharkmania. The question is, do I do this now? Do I risk 4 out of 4 because I'm on a bad roll? Or do I leave this for a little while and do a few other things first and then come back to this one, because I feel like I'm just setting myself up? Or, you know, is this going to be what turns it round for the day, and everything else that I do, which is just this lot here that I'm working on, you know, everything else all works out in the end. Don't know what to do. show you what I'm going to be listing those for in a second. I left it until last, so wish me luck. $1.99 I paid for this. All checked, so let's show you what we've listed everything for. So Sharkmania, that was all complete, listed at $49.99. It's all on Amazon. We've got this old Upwards 2006 edition, $24.99. Two Dingbats, listed those at $20. Only Fools and Horses board game, took me a while to sort that one out. It's been a while since I've sold that, or certainly a while since I've sorted it out, if ever. It took me a little bit of time, more than usual. $22.49 on that one. Ravensburger Mario, £20. You've got a brand new and sealed Countdown from 2005. Look at that. That's going on at $44.99. Block saws, $29.99. That one's dropped a little bit, it's a bit disappointing. We've had over £50 for that before. Trivial Pursuit Master Edition, $29.99. Also, Bill Bryson Walk in the Woods audio CD, $39.99. Cinema Paradiso, $39.99. Daniel Steele's family album, $14.99. Maeve Binchy collection at $39.99. Another Daniel Steele's Secrets, $14.99. Howard's Way, $34.99. And the Doctor Collection, $34.99. So a couple of things to note. You might have some questions about what you've just seen. So remember that Amazon is a marketplace. Prices go up and down. So since listing and filming, prices have changed. So for example, Upwards, I said I was listing for $24.99, but it's showing now the featured price, the buy box price is $25.99. I'm going to be putting prices up between now and the shipment arriving with Amazon. Now it takes Amazon 7 to 10 days roughly. It can be a little bit quicker, but it takes them 7 to 10 days for items to be active for next day shipping for Prime customers. That's a lot of time in a marketplace, and that's a lot of time for prices to go up and down, and you don't want to be the cheapest when that happens. When your items are available for next day delivery to Prime members, you don't want to be the cheapest because the prices behind you could have gone up. Other sellers could have sold their lower priced ones, so you really want to be squeezing as much margin. Whilst I'm waiting for the stock to arrive at Amazon, be checked in, I will be altering prices. Also bear in mind, I think one of the DVDs, I said $34.99 and it was showing at around about £29 in the featured box, but that wasn't Amazon Prime, that was seller fulfilled, and Amazon Prime offerings will always trump the seller fulfilled offering in terms of getting the buy box or the featured box. We'll make sure we're not the cheapest when those items hit, and we'll then use Amazon's free repricer to bring those down in line with the featured box and take the sales. Also, I mentioned earlier in this video that I will have spares, and that the items that weren't complete will be going in my spares pile. Now, we put those on our Facebook group. I'll put it on the screen now. Please feel free to join the Facebook group, and if there's any spares that you're looking for, you can just pop a picture on of what it is you're looking for, or just a description. Check the photos of other members posting what they've got and what they need, and that's become very, very helpful to a lot of people. So all that's left to do is to pack up the stock and get UPS here to collect it, take it off to Amazon. And in the meantime, I hope you enjoyed this video. This stock was purchased on a little trip out. We went out with the doggies. We went over to the Essex coast and had a lovely day. The doggies had a swim.
go.
This way, Lena. Come on. We sat and had lunch and watched some paddle boarders falling in the water, and we spent about 30 minutes in the local charity shops to source for Amazon. If you like the video, please hit like, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.